Here's the chicken traveler. Anti-spill water drip. We're strapping up. So the chickens survived the hour drive up north in northern Ontario. And so yeah, I think you can take chickens camping. What do you think, Noah? So just take your chickens camping. That's it. Our chicks are being looked after by a buddy at home, but we couldn't get anybody to watch the two girls, so we brought them with. Girls. Good morning. Happy, very happy. Aren't you, girls? Okay. Chicken traveler worked out good. Got our anti-spill water in there, our little roosting pole. Look at that. Copper. No, not for you, girl. Okay. We got our run set up. We got the girls. Chicken update. They're still alive. Third day of camping up north at the property. They're still alive. They laid eggs actually yesterday, which is surprising to us. And this little chicken thing that I made, a little coop, we just put it in the back of the truck at night. And the little girls are happy. The girls are happy. So yeah. Taking chicken